Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends not opening on your PC. Whether your game won't launch at all, keeps crashing on startup, or you just want to get back into your matches without delays, this simple step-by-step guide will help you resolve the issue quickly. First, open your Start menu and type Task Manager. Then click to open it. Look under Running Processes and make sure League of Legends isn't already running in the background. If you see it listed, right-click and select End Task. This ensures there are no hidden processes blocking the game from starting. Next, find the League of Legends shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu, right-click it, and select Open File Location. This will open the game folder, where you need to locate League Client.exe. Right-click on it, go to Properties, and under the Compatibility tab, check Disable Fullscreen Optimizations and run this program as administrator. Then click Change High DPI Settings, check Override High DPI Scaling Behavior, and leave it set to Application. Click OK to save everything, then try launching the game again. If it still doesn't open, you can try reinstalling the game. Open, add or remove programs from the Start menu, find League of Legends, click the three dots, and select Uninstall. After that, download the latest version from the official League of Legends website and reinstall it. A simple system restart can also help fix any lingering issues. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to get League of Legends running properly without any hassle. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If this helped you, share it with someone who's struggling too, it might just save their day.